Hey guys, this is a short video detailing the basic processes. It's a 5-step process to winning lower property tax appeals. This is my 5-step strategy for creating winning property tax appeals. The first thing we want to know is what the sales ratio is and what the assessor assigned to your property. What is that sales ratio? And if it's right, and you want to know if your property truly qualifies for a property tax appeal. This is very extremely important, and it'll be in the next training video. Secondly, we want to look into the comparative property sources, the property comps. Uh, this is where we get the free evidence of sold properties that you can use in your property tax appeal. The third thing we want to look into, and it's just a rather long video, it's going to be into the comparative adjustment factors, and these are the parameters that lead to a property tax adjustment that's lower. Now, this is the part that no one in your municipal or town wants you to see. These are the areas for adjustment against comparable homes, sold comparable homes that you can use to equalize your property against these other comparable properties. Fourthly, we have the final value conclusion, the presentation format that kind of brings to light what the property is actually worth, and that'll stand up in court. And fifth, we're going to organize your property tax appeal layout for presentation so that all the supporting evidence inclusions are there. Uh, you want to know how to organize everything for optimal presentation purposes. Here's a diagram for how this 5-step strategy works so that once completed, you can bring your presentation to the local property tax assessor. And if he or she is reasonable, you will win your property tax appeal right there. Otherwise, there are two other areas for appeal, the municipal appeal and the judicial appeal. So if your final value conclusion is complete and accurate, I suggest taking it to the very top and not giving up until you win. One can use this training to lower one's own property tax and appeal it for their home or any kind of rental homes that they own. They could use it too for complete insurance for like a house flipper or a person who's going to invest in some real estate to assure themselves that they're purchasing it for a good market value. Um, then one can use this as a lucrative side business to help overcharge families, friends, clients, and you can greatly help them and earn good contingency fees for that kind of service. Plus, there's this exceptional lucrative side adventure for performing property tax appeals for businesses by using a different methods called the income method. Well, that's it for this video. So the next video, I'll show you about sales ratios and what a sales ratio or millage rates and property tax value assessments, what they tell us. Now, we'll go through 10 aspects of property tax appeals, which can be accessed through the page link below this video. Or you can see those links all for free by clicking on the subscribe button on the page. Post below and give us a thumbs up for our free training. So leave a comment below, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.